Dude, my car's already scratched. You can use it.
I got a tetanus shot, for the love of God. How many times do I have to say that?
Stretch, Dugan.
You touched the ball? No, I hit it.
2, 3.
2, 1.
Anytime you guys are ready.
Good.
Good.
Why are you gonna take that chair home with you?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home.
It's in my car. Dude, I broke some glasses.
It makes me want to scream when it's Halloween and the kids are laughing. The road